Hi, let me show you how to connect your Epson printer WorkForce WF-2950 using Wi-Fi direct with a phone or computer. So to turn on Wi-Fi direct, we're going to press the home button, press the up button, and we need to select this middle option where you see the Wi-Fi logo. Press OK. Select the down arrow and press OK. OK again. It will turn on Wi-Fi direct. Wait a few seconds. Okay, so now over here we need to select other methods. By going down, select other methods, select other OS devices, no matter what you're trying to connect. Okay, and now we're going to get the password. Before that, the password wasn't shown. So here we have the name of your printer and down below the password that you're looking for. Let me show you how to connect using a smartphone, but the same can be done with a computer. On your device, you're going to go into the Wi-Fi settings. And in the Wi-Fi settings under available networks, your printer will be waiting for you. Here we go, WF-2950. Tap on it and now type the password that is written over here. On your printer, this will be different. This number will be different. So don't copy what's on your screen currently. Go on your printer screen and copy that code. I will connect. And now, if you're on a phone, computer, again, anything, open the document, the picture you want to print. Let me open this. On an Android, you're going to click these three dots on the top right corner and then select print. On an iPhone, you're going to have a square with an arrow icon somewhere down below. Click on it and then you'll be able to select print. Tap on the top and select your Epson WF-2950. Then we have a few different things. We can change the number of copies, orientation, etc. And press the print button right over here to launch the print. And this is about it. It will come out of here and you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.